Hey, it's your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to disable OneDrive and eventually remove it from your computer. Some people find OneDrive kind of annoying on their computer. It's saving files in the cloud that they don't want, or it's just causing problems for you. So first of all, the first thing you're going to do is go to the lower right hand bottom of your panel, and you're going to find this little cloud thing. If you hover over it, it says OneDrive. You're going to right click on that, and you're going to find where it says settings. Then you're going to go to a settings tab, and right here it says start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. You're going to uncheck that because you don't want it to start. Then what I want you to do is type in settings just like this, or you can hit the start menu and find that little gear and go to settings. Inside of settings, you're going to basically go to apps, where you're basically going to go to add remove, or you can click apps right here. Certain windows are different, and you're going to type in one. You're searching for OneDrive, and you're going to click it here, and you're going to click uninstall and just remove it from your computer. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.